Man, I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning up this lens because I'm gonna turn the camera around in a second, but I found a tree with my kids and Pioneer X.
There we go, timber. I can go up there and get it.
No, it's okay. Alright, so got that and put in the tarp put. Maybe one day I'll show you guys how you can dye clothes and textiles with that. Turns into a beautiful, well, it depends on how many times you dye it. A few times. Turns into like a fuchsia, hot pink. And if you dye it even more times, it's a very beautiful crimson. Violet, purpley, red. Maybe I'll show you. Cold steel. Kukri.